In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Alibaba support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to reach a real person when you need help with your account, orders, or payments. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're signed into the account connected to your order or inquiry. If you can, use a desktop or laptop since the layout is a bit easier to navigate than on mobile, and some support options may display more clearly. If the site looks different due to region or language settings, don't worry. The support links are still in the same general areas. Once the home page loads, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. You're aiming for the footer where Alibaba groups useful resources. If any pop-ups or cookies banners appear, close or accept them so they don't block the footer links. In the footer, click Help Center. This takes you to Alibaba's official help hub. If you see options for buyer or seller, choose the one that matches your situation. The Help Center includes common topics and a search bar. If you like, you can quickly search your issue to see if there's a fast self-service fix, but we're heading to live assistance next. On the Help Center page, scroll down. As you move through the sections, you'll find an option labeled Online Service. This is the route to real-time support, and it's the quickest way to get a human agent when needed. Click Online Service. A chat window will open. Depending on your account status, you may be prompted to sign in again or select a topic. Pick the closest match to your issue so the system routes you correctly. Start by chatting with the bot. Use clear keywords like order number, refund, dispute, account verification, or payment problem. The bot is designed to recognize intent and surface the right cue. To reach a human, type something like talk to customer service or connect me to an agent. If the bot asks follow-up questions, answer them briefly and accurately. This helps place you with the correct team. Have details ready such as your order number, product name, supplier store link, and any screenshots. Keep your messages concise and polite to speed up verification. If an agent isn't available immediately, the bot may show queue times or offer to log a ticket. Stay in the chat until you're connected. When you finish, save the transcript or jot down the case ID for reference. That's it. Now you can confidently contact Alibaba support whenever you need help.